2020 Jayco Redhawk 22J for sale in Spickard, Missouri. 64,679. This 2020 Jayco Redhawk 22J is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is powered by a strong Triton V10 engine matted with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It features a charming layout design that is 24.67 feet in length and has a backup camera, factory cruise control, one slide out, one awning, and sleeps comfortably up to 5. This is the ideal memory-making environment because it is clean, and has been very well maintained. This Class CRV comes with everything you need to hit the road with minimal effort, and you can be sure that it will be making memories for many years to come. Get ready to make this 2020 Jayco Redhawk 22J your next home away from home. This unit has tons of options and features that will incite comfort and tranquility while traveling. Some of these advantages include solid surface countertops, 3-burner StoveMicrowaveRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with booth-style SeatingTelevisionSurround SoundDVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperGlass enclosed ShowerToiletSinkMaster, queen-size BedMaster closet / DresserOne Bunk BedOnan, 4000 backup generator, plus much more. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This 2020 Jayco Redhawk 22J is ready to help you travel anywhere your heart desires, both safely and efficiently. Don't hesitate. Call today for information on how this unparalleled 2020 Jayco Redhawk 22J can be yours.